Okay, so today we are going to do our colors and our color mixing. Okay, that means there are three primary colors. These colors right here are our three primary colors.
Yeah.
That means we could take these colors and mix them together to make a whole different color. Okay, so we'll do that. And then we're also going to use our finger to trace the letter that I say. Okay, yeah, we could do that one. What letter makes that sound? What letter makes that sound? S. Okay.
Like a snake.
Like a snake. Okay, what color is this?
I am terrified of snakes.
Yes. What color is that?
Yellow.
Good job. And how do we say yellow in Spanish?
Amarillo.
Good job. Okay. And then this one is what color?
Blue.
Blue. And how do we say blue in Spanish?
Amarillo.
Azul.
Azul.
And what is this color?
Red.
Red. And how do we say red in Spanish? Rojo.
Rojo.
And what is this color?
Green.
Green. Good job. And how do we say green in Spanish? Verde.
Verde.
Good job. Let's start with amarillo, yellow. Take the lid off, and then you can put a couple of drops. Yeah, squeeze it good. Go ahead. Squeeze it in one spot. Is it hard to squeeze? There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, so now take your popsicle stick and stir it for me, and let's see if we can get that yellow color to show. Stir it real good. You might need to add a tiny bit of water. And this is baking soda, so it ain't gonna hurt anything. There we go. Now we see that yellow. There we go. Mix it up real good.
But it's kind of apple juicy.
It's kind of apple juicy. Keep mixing it. It almost looks orange, doesn't it? But we see that yellow coming through the more you mix it. Mix it good. Okay, you don't have to mix all of it, but just mix it good. Okay. Okay, so we have yellow, right? What color do we want to mix with the yellow to see what color it changes to?
Blue?
Blue. That's a good color. Okay, let's get the blue. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's put a couple drops of blue in there. Right on top of that yellow. That's good. Blue's gonna be a good dark color, so. What color is it changing to?
Blue.
Oh, keep mixing it.
Mix it.
Got a little butter over here. There you go. I see another color. So when you mix that blue and yellow together, keep mixing it. What color are you seeing?
I'm seeing this color.
Yeah, what color is that? That is correct. That is the color you're seeing. What color is it? Is that green?
Green.
Green. Good job. So yellow and blue mixed together makes green, right?
Yeah.
Yes. How cool is that? Can you name some things that are green?
Da.
Hmm?
I said da.
What things are green that you know of?
Tap.
Let's see, maybe grass.
Mm-hmm.
Grass can be green.
Mm-hmm.
What else can be green?
The trees.
Trees can be green. What else?
Leaves.
Leaves could be green. That's correct. What else?
And Mommy, I want to do this color now.
You already got that color. So now we see that green is not a primary color. Green is what we call a secondary color. And that's because you can mix two of the primary colors together to get this one color. What colors did we mix together? You like the water. All gone. What colors did we mix together?
And then I want to take this one.
What colors did we mix together? You remember? Okay, let's see. What color is this right here that we mixed? We did what? Yellow and what other color? Blue, right?
Yeah.
Yellow and blue makes green.
Green.
So how do we say that in Spanish? Amarillo y azul
is azul.
es verde.
Es verde.
Good job.
I'm mixing it up.
You are doing a great job in mixing it too. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Mixy, mixy, mixy.
Mixy.
Oh. Okay. That's a pretty color green though.
I said mixy. Energy.
I heard. Mixy, mixy, mixy. Good job. You're a great mixer.